Alright, from here now we'll move to the next practice, that is yoga for weight management. For the weight management, we'll start again with the 3 to 4 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So now we are skipping doing that as we have already discussed how to do Surya Namaskar. So you can start with a body warm-up of at least 3 to 4 rounds of Surya Namaskar, and then you will start with some basic practices like Utkatasana. We'll see how to do Utkatasana. For that, you will take minimum gap between your shoulders and you will come at this position which is known as Utkatasana. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, relax. Repeat it once again. Take the position and repeat it once again. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now we'll see the next one. That is Veerbhadrasana. For the Veerbhadrasana, we will take some gap between both of our legs. We are going to start it with the right side. So we'll twist the right ankle towards the right side. Now fold your knee and just open up your hands. Look at the front side. Hold here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat it from the opposite side. Position of the legs. Hands. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Relax. The very last asana from here we will do is Kapotasana, also known as the Devi Asana. For that, you will just take the normal gap between your legs and from here twist your ankles at the 45 degree. And from here we'll sit down and take the hands up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. We'll do it for the 10 counts. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last 3 counts. 3, 2, and last 1. Alright. Relax from here. Just be seated on your mat. We'll see the Kriya for this, that is Kapalbhati Kriya. Kapalbhati Kriya is very, very useful when you are on the journey of weight loss. Along with it, you need to maintain your diet, you have to control your cravings, and you have to work on the proper fat burn of your body. You have to burn the fat, right? And you have, with the yoga practices, you have to make a metabolic rate high. You have to work on your muscles. All these together will help you to give up happy weight you want for yourself. So we'll now practice with the Kapalbhati Kriya. Place your both hands in the Jnana Mudra. Inhale. Now we will do active exhalations and passive inhalation. This is the Kapalbhati Kriya. We'll do it with the 15 strokes. Inhale. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Take few deep breaths, deep inhale and deep exhale out. Now the next topic we have is yoga for gastroparesis. Basically, in this condition, our stomach is unable to get empty due to the lack of digestive fire and less ability of our stomach to just do the proper digestion. So we will learn some asanas for that. The very first asana from here we will do is Vajrasana. You can do this asana directly after eating also. This is the only asana you can do directly after eating. Basically, Vajrasana helps by restricting the blood flow in your lower body and make the more of the energy, body energy in the digestive system. Take 2 deep inhalations and exhalations. Keep your eyes closed. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now we'll see the next practice. The next we have is Vyagra Asana. For the Vyagra Asana, come at the tabletop position. From here, we'll start with the tabletop practice. You have to bring your leg inside and then exhale, take your leg up. This practice will help by massaging your abdominal organs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last 5. Relax. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Relax yourself. Now we'll do the same practice to the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax here. Deep inhale and deep exhale out. Now from here, lie down on your back. We will practice Setu Bandhasana. It will help to increase your digestive fire. Place your both hands by the side, palms facing to the ground. Your knees and your ankles should be in one straight line. Inhale, come up. Hold. Exhale, relax. Inhale, once again, come up. Exhale, down and relax. The last practice for gastroparesis diabetic is bring your legs closer towards your body. Pavan Muktasana. Interlock your hands. Press your overall legs towards you. Inhale. While exhaling, lift up your neck. Exhale down and relax. Now you can just roll to the sideways. This is also the variation of Pavan Muktasana. This helps in relieving the gastric issues. Now relax. Come to the right side of your body. Stay for a few seconds. Open your eyes and gently come up into the seated posture.